Hi children, welcome to maths class. Okay, in the last class we completed till page number 55. That is this example. Now we'll move to the next topic, that is who gets more, who gets less. Here we are 10th standard students. See here all these girls and boys they are 10th standard students. We have our marks scored in the public examination. See here, marks scored in the public examination. Think and tell. See, you have to think and tell who has scored the more marks and who has scored the less marks. See, all these are girls, these are boys here. So who is the highest among these girls? So among girls she is the highest. How to compare the highest number? First compare with the hundreds number. See, 2 is less, here also 2, 3, 4. So highest number is 5. So 520. So which is the lesser number here? So we have two numbers are same here. So hundreds place 2 is same. So after comparing 100 numbers, next go to the tens place. So tens place, so here is the 9 and here is the 5. So which is the smallest number here? So 5 is the smallest number. So among girls 250 is the smallest number. Okay. This is the smallest number and this is the greatest number. Okay, here. Here in the boys, see which is the biggest number here? So 4, 2, 3, 2. So here is a 5. So 510 is the greatest number here. So smallest number, see here is also 2. So here is also 2. So once hundreds place are same, then we have to move to the tens place. So here is a 1 and here is a 9. So which is the smallest number here? So 1 is the smallest number. So this is the smallest. So among boys 210 is the smallest number and 510 is the greatest number. Overall, who got the biggest number? Overall, see, among overall, who got the highest marks here? See, greatest number, here was the greatest number. 510 here, 520. So hundreds are same. So compared to the tens place, here is a 2 and here is a 1. So which is the highest number is 520. So among full all these, 520 is the biggest number. Okay, greatest number. Among all these, which is the smallest number? See here, 210 and 250. So which is the smallest number here? 210 is the smallest number. Okay. Here are some questions given asked for above the example. Okay, we'll solve these questions. The highest marks. So who scored the highest marks? Overall highest marks is 520. So write down here 520. The lowest marks among everyone, girls and boys, the lowest marks is, see, 210. 210. Equal marks. See, some two kids have stored the equal marks here. 299 here and 299 here. So equal marks is 299. Okay. The highest marks among boys. So highest marks among boys. See, which is the highest marks among boys? 510. So 510. The highest marks among girls. So who scores the highest marks among girls here? Who scored? How much is the marks? 520. So write down here 520. The lowest marks among boys. So who scored the lowest marks among boys? So this is a 210 is the lowest marks. Next, the lowest marks among the girls. So who scored lowest marks among the girls? 250. So 250. 4 marks less than 400. So 400 minus 4 is 496. See here children. 400 minus 4 is, so we can't subtract zeros from 4. So take the borrow here. So take the borrow. See what happens here. It comes 9 again it takes 10, then it becomes 9. So here 10 minus 4 is 6 and it comes 9. Here we already borrowed, so this becomes 3. So 396. Okay, next 10 marks more than 500. So 500 plus 10 is 510. 10 marks less than 500 is 490. Okay children, what is there here? See, observe. What to observe? While comparing 3-digit numbers, see, while comparing 3-digit numbers, what we have to do? The digits in the hundreds place, whichever the number has more hundreds is the greatest number. If the digits in the hundreds place are same, see here digits in the hundreds places were same, 510 and 520. See, 100 digits are same. Then what we did? Then compare the digits in the tens place. See what we have done? We have compared in the tens place. If the digits in the tens place are same, if the digits in the tens place are also same, then compare the digits in the units place and identify the bigger and the smaller numbers. Okay children, have you got it? So this completes your bigger and smaller chapter. Okay, so this completes your biggest and smallest topic. Okay children, now we'll move to the ascending and descending order. What is ascending order and what is descending order? Ascending order means smallest to the biggest number. Descending order means biggest to the smallest number. See, here it's a 225. See, we go from smallest number to the biggest number, 833. So descending order means biggest to the smallest number. See, going the slide from the up to down is the descending order. From down to up is the ascending order. Okay, you keep it in a slide. See, you keep it in your mind as a slide children. See, whenever we go slide from up to down, then it is called as a descending order. From down to up it is called as an ascending order. Okay, so we'll compare with the numbers. So what is there? In the previous class you have learned how to write single digit and 2-digit numbers in the ascending order and descending order. Now you learn how to write 3-digit number in ascending order and the descending order. Learn by doing. Take some paper slips and write numbers up to 999. So what we have to do? Take a slips, write the numbers till 999, fold them and put it in the box. Okay. Now pick 6 slips. Take the 6 slips and take. See, one boy, he has tried and he got a number. You had got this number. See, he got 225, 352, 561, 833, 417, 799. First write the digits in the hundreds place value. See, hundreds place value 2, 3, 5, 8, 4, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 7. Okay. Then arrange in the ascending order. How to arrange in the ascending order? See, smaller to big. So which number is small here? 2, 3, 5, 8, 7. See, 8 is a bigger number here. 7 is the smallest number. So here comes the 7 and here comes the 8. Okay. Now in the same way, write the numbers 225, 352, 561, 833, 417, 799 in the ascending order. So what we have to do? We have to write in the ascending number. When the given numbers are to be written in the ascending order, start from the smaller number to the greater number. So what we have to do? We have to start the smaller number to the greater number. This is called as ascending order. Write the same numbers in the descending order. How to write the descending order? See, first to the bigger number. See, 833 is the biggest number. Then 8 after is 7. So 799. 7 after is 5. So 561, 417, 352 and 225. Okay children, are you getting? When the given numbers are to be written in the descending order, start from the greatest number to the smallest number. Now you understand by writing the numbers on steps which you have written in the ascending order and descending order. See children. So 225 is the smallest number. So smallest number to the biggest number is 833. So descending order in the sense bigger number to the smaller number. See, 833 is the biggest number and smallest number is 225. See, it's very easy. Always bigger number to smaller number is a descending order, and the smaller number to bigger number is a ascending order. Okay, see children, this is very easy. Try yourself. See, they asked to try yourself. Okay, we'll do it in the next class.